Hello everyone! Today we are going to draw and color Charizard from Pokemon. Let's start drawing! I start with the eye of Charizard. I draw the shape of his head with his open mouth and tongue out. Hey, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now I draw his arms, like this. Charizard is the third evolution of Charmander. He is the best of Ash's Pokémons. I continue with his body. Then I draw his two legs. I draw his fire tail. Now let's draw his dragon wings. Finally, I draw fire coming out of his mouth, just like this. Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring! I start with pink for his tongue, dark red for his mouth, then I use bright orange for his skin. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Now I use red and light orange for the fires. A darker shade of green for his wings. And finally, I use yellow for his belly and his tail. Fantastic! Raffy the dinosaur needs you. Like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye!